What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Rich. We're back with another one. And said, staying consistent and getting it done. I hope everybody's enjoying their Monday. I hope y'all are just getting a great start to y'all's week. And I hope the rest of y'all's week is prosperous and joyful and all that good stuff. But today we're going back to Best Buy. I gotta go get my son's tablet fixed. Look at this. My wife was just telling me that we have to get it replaced, so I just gotta go turn this in, and I think he's gonna get a new one. Shout out to Verizon for the insurance plan, because I believe this is gonna be free. But this is unacceptable. It's very unacceptable. But we're gonna go inside Best Buy. This gives me another chance to look at some more equipment, just see what I might want later on down the line. And yeah, we'll see y'all at Best Buy. I just pulled up to Best Buy and it's looking a lot less packed than what it did before Christmas time. And that is good for two reasons. One is because I could get in and out as soon as possible. Two, I don't have to be around that many people. And I know a lot of people could relate to that because of the fact, like, I just don't like being around a lot of people. It's an anxious thing for me. Like, I get anxious, my palms get sweaty, and I don't like being in the mix. So we're gonna get inside, turn this tablet in, and I'll probably look around for a little bit just to see what, in the future I'll get as far as like vlogging equipment, video equipment and stuff like that. But other than that, I'm just window shopping today. Like, I'm not getting anything else. It's just simply window shopping, just seeing what I could get in my brain. And like I told y'all before, I want to get a vision board started. So just take a look at some things, and if I see something that I like, then I will end up putting that on my vision board and making it come into fruition later on down the line. This actually kind of looks a little weird that I have this microphone on me. We're gonna let it do what it do because it's Best Buy, and you would think that a lot of people come in here and vlog, right? Let's see. Let's see if this guy really cares if I'm vlogging. Let's see. Oh, he's not even coming over here yet. We're gonna prop y'all up right here. Nope, it's not gonna work. They typically say that everything that you do is a vlog. So we're gonna go ahead and let it do what it do. How are you, ma'am? You okay today? How you doing, sir?
So, what's your wife's name?
Cash G
What's the
or
name?
Kashima.
Kashima.
Yes, ma'am. Kashema.
She went by Kash.
Yes, ma'am. Did you have a happy Christmas?
It was all right. I can't complain about that.
Good. No need in complain because no one wants to hear it, right?
You can put it back there in the back in case I'm not able to get her.
Do you know where that blue tape was?
All right, so that turned out to be a lot longer than what I expected it to be. And also, I didn't want to continue recording in front of that lady's face because at some point in time it starts to become a little weird. So now I am walking through. We're gonna look at some of these cameras and just get an idea of what we can get later on down the line, that is. So I just got out of Best Buy and I was able to, well, I wasn't able to switch my son's iPad out. So what will happen is he's gonna get another one, but through our insurance plan through Verizon, it didn't cover the whole thing. So now I had to pay out of pocket $99 to get his replaced. So he'll get a new one, a brand new one sent in the mail, and then we just have to return this one back. So it's better than the $299 that, you know, I believe a lot of people have to pay if they don't have the insurance, but or the cost of replacing a whole new one. So I at least got that. Now I went in there and I looked at some more of the, like the video gimbals or whatever, I forget what they're called, but I looked at that and those seemed pretty cool, but they were on the pricey point. They were like $6.99, I believe. And some of the cameras, they're nice. I will definitely be putting that on my vision board. But other than that, like right now, it's time for me to get up out of here and go pick up my niece from work. And then we'll see what else the day holds for us. All right, before I head home, I'm gonna pick up an order for 2 people here at Sam's Club. Then I'll pick my niece up, we'll deliver, and go home. Now, for this, if you want to know how to boost your income, if you want to, you know, get a couple extra dollars in your pocket, if you have a reliable car, no blemishes on your background, then there are ways to get money. Like, there's ways to get money in this world that everybody can get it. You feel what I'm saying? Like, if you are hungry enough, you can do it. So I don't gatekeep. It's, you know, it's a spark dropper, you know, for Walmart, but they have different stores. So you can pick up from Sam's Club, you can pick up from Home Depot, you can pick up from Walmart. And in today's time, people want things, they want simplicity. So if it makes it simple for them, they'll pay for it. You feel what I'm saying? So there will always be money out here to be made. So just to add a couple extra dollars into my pocket on the side, yeah, I get up, I get out, and I get to the money. That's why you see me in the car all the time. That's honestly why you see me in the car all the time, because I'm always doing something to earn some extra income. You feel what I'm saying? So with that being said, like I said before, if you want more info on this, on how to do this, then you just put more info into the comments. I'll let you know, and we can get you started. Remember, you have to have a reliable car and no blemishes on your background, and you can do it. All right.